Hi, George Petersen here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
the Foo Fighters Everything or Nothing at All tour. After sold-out U.S. and European legs, what is arguably this year's hottest rock tour returns stateside, and audio veteran Danny Abelson is there to chat with the audio crew. We also look in on Bad Bunny's Most Wanted tour, this superstar's latest project, grossing $200 million along the way, with 700,000 fans attending his 30 sold-out dates, powered by a massive Cohesion PA. It began as a WPA jobs project in 1936, and after 88 years, the treasured Oklahoma City Zoo Amphitheater gets a much-deserved and great-sounding sonic makeover. The market for live theater and performing arts centers continues to expand. We check out some recent builds and audio upgrades. This studio and front-of-house engineer has worked with an enviable roster of A-list clients. John McJunkin chats with him about his life and career. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on column arrays. If column speakers bring up painful memories of lo-fi reproduction, then you've probably never heard a modern column array. We present the latest offerings for portable and installation applications. At 30 and just 8 years on the job, this audio phenom went from test engineer to becoming the director of loudspeaker development at Meyer Sound, coordinating the company's new flagship, the Panther Line Array. How loud are your IEMs really? Steve Savanu checks out this essential pocket accessory, a speedometer for your ears that could literally save your hearing. These days, as many church installs approach or surpass rock and roll rigs, it's tempting to push low-frequency SPLs to the limit. But how do you determine what's appropriate? John McJunkin examines the bottom line.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.